Hello, good morning friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to configure IPsec site-to-site VPN in Checkpoint Firewall. Before going to start, let me show you my topology. This is my headquarter firewall HQ and this IP is 70.201 and this is my branch firewall. You can see this is my branch firewall and this IP is 70.202. okay, my headquarter firewall outside interface IP is 4.2.2.1 and branch office firewall IP is 4.2.2.2. okay, and I'm going to protect this network. This is my LAN network. okay, I'm going to protect this network over IPsec VPN, and from branch office I'm going to protect this network over IPsec VPN. So you have seen this is my topology here. So let me show you what is our step today will be. Our first step will be, our first task step will be enable IPsec blade. Now second, we'll create VPN community. We'll create VPN community. So friends, let's go on a smart dashboard here. So friends, you can see this is my smart dashboard. So friends, both firewall is managed by single management server. So you can see this is my firewall 1 headquarter firewall and this is my branch office firewall. Okay, first let's check traffic from router 1 to router 2. Able to ping branch office network or not. Let's check. I'm able to ping here. Okay, I have already added both gateway here. So now go to headquarter firewall and here we will enable IPsec VPN blade. Just enable it. Just enable on both firewall. Enable also here firewall 2 branch office firewall. So in both firewall we have enabled IPsec VPN blade. Now go to security policy and here you can see VPN community here under access tool VPN community. Just click on it. You can see there is by default two communities created here, remote access and my internet. So we have to create new. Click on star icon and we have to select here mass community. We can give community name site. Now we have to add both gateway here, branch office and headquarter. Okay, both gateway added. Encrypted traffic, accept all encrypted traffic, leverage by default, go to encryption. So friends, here we can provide here IKEY phase 1 encryption method, hashing algorithm SHA-1, okay, DeFi element group 2, and for phase 2 AES 128 data and hash algorithm will be SHA-1. Leave it as it is by default. If you can select here aggressive mode, you can select aggressive mode, or PFS, you can even enable PFS here. Okay, now you can select here tunnel management. In tunnel management you can select on all tunnel in the community on all tunnel for a specified gateway. Okay, so leave it as it is. Excluded service, which service you want to exclude here. Okay, environment advanced. So here we can select lifetime leave as it is. Now click on OK. Now we have created VPN community. Now go to gateway 1 headquarter gateway. Just click on it and click on network management and select here VPN domain. Now we have to specify which network we are going to protect. Okay, so we are going to protect this network. Okay, so we have to add this network here. we are going to protect. So this is my network is this one. Okay, we are going to protect this network from headquarter branch, from our headquarter site. Now you have to go to IPSec VPN, just expand it. Now you can see site to site VPN added here. Now we have to select link selection. Now we have to select link, from which link you are going to, what link, what will be your link. Okay, link selection, on which link. So in my case this is my link, you can see this is my link. Okay, external link, outside link. So we have to select this link. Now click on OK here. Now go to branch office firewall, click on network management, expand it, click on VPN domain. For branch office we have to select network, this network. Okay, this network we are going to protect, we are going to encrypt, it will travel over IPsec tunnel. Okay, so we have to select it. So you have to select this network, DMZ, click on OK. Now click on IPsec VPN, expand it. Now select here link selection. So my link will be 4.2.2. you can see 4.2.2 outside link. Okay, now click on OK here. So now we have to create policy. So you can see we have already added from branch 1 to branch 2, from headquarter to branch 2. Okay, we have already added into out. So here we have to select VPN community, specify VPN community, select here. We have to select accept, you can see accept here, and logs. Install on which gateway, branch office, and click here to publish. Now friends we have already configured. Now friends you can see we have configured policy here and added our VPN community here. Now this traffic going to encrypt over IPsec VPN. Okay, now click on publish and click on install policy. Let's check policy going to install on both firewall. Okay, success, install is done. Now click close here. Now just initiate traffic from, now we have to initiate traffic from R1 to R2. Okay, just go to our R1, this is my R1 and R2. Okay, so just initiate traffic. Now we have to initiate traffic from R1 for R2. Okay, just ping. Now you can see it's successful. I'm able to ping. Now we have to check logs. What logs saying here? Now friends you can see. So you can see this is my headquarter firewall. Here traffic is going to encrypt. My packet going to encrypt. Okay, and on firewall 2, branch office firewall is going to decrypt here. So let's check here logs. My you can see origin headquarter firewall and VPN feature is VPN IKE ESP AES 7 site to site. Source is 192.168.10.10. Destination is 172.16.10.10. Okay, so what here is encrypted, traffic is encrypted. Okay, match rule 2. Okay, now on firewall 2, traffic is going to decrypt here. You can see traffic is going to decrypt. Source is here, destination is here, server, and traffic going to decrypt. Now let's check tunnel here. Click on new tab. Now we can check tunnel user monitoring. Just click on this tunnel and user monitoring. So you can see here in my firewall gateway status is here. Gateway status okay. Actual memory, disk free space, version, So we have to check tunnel created or not. So we have to check here. You can see there is one tunnel. So friends, in this video we have seen how to configure IPSec VPN. In this scenario we have only single management server for both gateway. So in next video we will use different management server for each gateway. Okay, external management server for this gateway should be their dedicated management server, and this for this gateway it should be dedicated management server, and we will configure IPSec VPN. We'll see. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Keep watching, keep loving, and like and share.